Hey, good morning, guys. It's Havasu Lou out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're going to go check out a nice little 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home over in Sun Lake Village. Real nice area. We're going to go check it out for a client. Hang out with us and check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here in beautiful Sun Lake Village in Lake Havasu at 2418 East George Lane. This is a little master plan community. It is in an HOA, but there's no gates, but you don't get the hodgepodge like you might get in town. So everything in here is going to have a tile roof and meet architectural guidelines. It's going to have underground utilities, natural gas. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. Let's go check it out. This has a big side parking, gated. I do believe if you park something on the side of the house, it has to be gated. I have a copy of the HOA CC&Rs. If you're interested, let me know and I'll email them over. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, has a pool built in 2000, has a 33 and a 19-foot garage bay, 1,792 square feet. It was only used part-time, evidently. It's super clean. It's got the vaulted ceilings, split floor plan with the master in the rear and the other 2 bedrooms up front. You have your indoor laundry right off the kitchen, the skylight, and some closet storage and your door to your garage. Let's go check out the bedrooms. All right, so this is the master bedroom. Has a slider out to the pool area, vaulted ceiling. It's pretty good size. Got dual sinks. Does have carpet all the way in. So you have a little linen closet and a walk-in closet. You can tell these people were part-time. The house is super clean. Barely used. It's got your solid surface walk-in shower. So you have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. It's a pretty good size. It has its own entry from the front yard. You have your bathroom number 2 in the hall, guest bath. So you have bedroom number 3, kind of in the middle of the house. Has vaulted ceilings, no ceiling fan. Also has your standard sliding glass door closet. Let's go check out the garage and the pool. So this is your standard 2-car garage. Does have a boat deep bay of 33.6 feet. Standard 7-foot opening on your door. Got your reverse osmosis, your soft water, and your water heater, which is on natural gas. Let's go check out the pool. So you got a pretty nice size covered patio. So the pool's kind of in a weird spot. It's kind of on the side of the house, which is, let's see, the southeast part of the house. And the pool plaster is popping. They are actually have paid for and are getting brand new plaster. So it's already been paid for. It's already on the schedule. So this pool will be basically brand new for somebody. Has pop-up cleaners. It's a nice little pool. So this does have RV hookups, and I just walked it off. It's about 40 feet plus or minus. Has a pool heater that's on natural gas. Hey guys, Havasu Lou back again with you. Hope you enjoyed this quick little walk through the house over here in Sun Lake Village. If you guys have any questions about it, or if there's anything I missed, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. Always feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. I'll also put a direct link to the property detail page right below this video as well, so you can get all the original listing pictures and all the pertinent listing information. So anyways, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.